Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix new update not showing on my iPhone. So my iPhone is saying like your iPhone is up to date, your iOS is up to date. So guys, how can you fix this issue? So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, the next solution is reset network settings on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will delete all network settings, returning them to default. So tap on reset network settings here. So after resetting your network settings, check your date and time. So for this, open setting, scroll down, tap on general, tap on date and time, correct. So here you can see guys, check your date and time and correct your date. So I have correctly. So after this, the next solution is remove the beta profile from your iPhone. If you have installed any beta profile on your iPhone, so firstly remove this. So for this, open setting, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on VPN and device management, tap on the profile here, tap on remove profile, enter passcode, tap on remove. Not now. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.